Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the CozyGloom console. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. So as you can see, you can order it now. So this is basically what it looks like. So I'm just going to say it right off the bat, this is not a console. As you can see, this is very clearly a hard drive inside of it. This is basically a hard disk drive inside. So this is not a console, please do not fall for it. So basically what you do is you just plug it into your PC, and basically you can play a lot of games from there. So they basically claim to emulate 200 plus consoles, including Switch and PS5. So and they have also 100,000 plus games and 26 built-in languages. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, my guess is that it's not. As you can see right here, it's a scam on Reddit. At least with their claims, they're claiming it emulates PS5 games and Switch games with no lag. Switch games can be emulated, but can be laggy, especially if not using a decent computer. PS5 games is a big cap, since you cannot basically emulate a PS5 game from your PC just by a hard disk. As you can see, a lot of people are also saying that. So I just bought one. We'll see if it's legit or not. Quick update: I've received notification that the CozyGloom is being shipped. I believe it's just a box are gonna show up, but we'll see. And let's see the reviews here. And there are basically no more reviews, no more updates from that person. Basically, I'm scared. People are saying that they're scared since this is just a hard disk. This is not a console. And as you can see from CozyGloom, they only have 3 reviews right here. As you can see, this person also said there's not a console, it's a hard drive. One of her TikToks, blah blah blah. What she's selling is not a console, it's a hard drive. You can only use it on PC hardware. On her TikTok video, she claims that it's a console, which is a complete scam. To run all of the games she's claiming that it runs, you need a powerful PC. So please do not buy this in the hopes that it is a console. You just plug and play into your TV. You will need a PC to play this, and even if you have a PC, there's no guarantee that it will run correctly or run smoothly. So I advise you to not buy this, since it may contain also hardware, malware, and viruses. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.